Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Duolingo. You will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Here in this page you will search about the application, we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.